Welcome to Drawdowns. My name is Maria. Richard will tell you what we do here.
Kia ora. So over here we have Anna. She's our screen printer. We both sort of share the duty. And basically what she's using here is a silk screen that we get made for us up in Auckland. Obviously the colour gets printed on the screen onto the A2, which gets put over onto a sheet. Usually you get 18 of these cards on a sheet, and then they get coloured to A4s.
For A4 drawdowns, it's useful for evaluating colours if you are thinking of painting. Mainly the architects or interior designers will want more to have a look, so that's why we provide this one as well, A2 size.
This is the finished product, which is the A4 size of the colour. They've got their labels here. Lovely Palolo here, she stamps the date and puts the colour label on it so they can get packed away into their proper cubby hole for distribution for customers whenever they need the colour, and it's already on hand. Basically the libraries and sections, the customer comes in and orders online, and then we just go and pick it for them, and with the address on the order form we send it to them. So it's a bit cramped around here. You've got your whites and neutrals range. This is all multi-finish, all these colours here. Your roof paint, your metallic paint, and besides the A4s we also have stickers. Yeah, so this was the big baby we were working on just before Christmas. It's a 2024 range. So yeah, it's all ready to go for customers to come and buy. We work pretty well as a team here, and everyone gets on well with each other, which helps the whole working environment, which is actually really cool.
Getting along with people that work together, the vibe that you have, it's a very good place to be. When other people work outside, we are warm in here, and yeah, I like working at Drawdowns here.
Okay then guys, so I better get back to it, and we'll catch you guys later. This way.